I gave you my heart.
Alright, so we're outside hanging out. It feels pretty good out here, so I figured I'd let the kids come out for a little bit. Their mom should be here in a little while. Ollie and Ace are right here. Hey guys, leave that alone.
It's a baby worm. It's a baby worm.
Yeah.
It's a baby worm. It's a baby worm.
Yeah.
It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute.
She's crazy. But I thought I'd come out here and I'll record just for some video clips. But, and I keep saying but and whatever else. What do you guys like to do for fun? Like, what do you enjoy doing? I don't know what I really enjoy doing. I love making videos and taking pictures. So that's what's made me really want to do these recordings. Even though, like, I don't do much in my life, as you can tell. It's all the same thing. But I like to do this stuff. And I love to watch it on YouTube, so that's the reason why it makes me want to post my stuff on YouTube. Just, you know, when I watch other people's YouTube channel and I see people doing stuff, it's like, man, I wish I could do that, you know? Or, oh, that gave me a good idea. So that's a big reason why.
Eat it.
Don't let them eat it. But that was one reason why I wanted to do this recording, but I just didn't know how to go about it because I don't know how to entertain you guys. Because like I said, I don't do anything really. But I mean, I do like to watch people that just sit at home majority of the time and just record what's going on in their life, because it helps me out too. Because I'm like, oh, I never thought about doing that at my house, you know? He came to me with the sweetest smile, told me he wanted to talk. I also like to watch prank videos too, but I don't know, like on them videos, do they end up originally realizing like they're being pranked all the time? That's what I don't understand, is how can they get such a good reaction every single time on their pranks? Like, I don't know how they fall for it all the time. It's crazy. But prank videos are funny. I think they're funny.
In these fast times, chasing lifelines for a lifetime. I've had my heart in the right place at the wrong time with the right girl in another world. Maybe we would be together still. If you hear this and resent that, I don't give a shit, I'll let it spill. I don't give a damn.
What's following you, Ollie? No, you need to come back up here. We need to go take a bath. We gotta go take a bath.
Get a bath?
Yeah, we need to get a bath.
You gonna follow me?
Yeah, we're gonna go see Mufasa. Say Mufasa.
I want to talk to Daddy.
You wanna what?
I want to talk to Daddy.
You wanna talk to Daddy?
Yeah.
Your face is dirty.
Huh?
Your face is dirty.
I want to see Papa again.
Okay, well, let's go take a bath real quick and we'll go bye-bye.
No, I want to see a fall.
You want to go see Mufasa? Okay, well, we go see Mufasa, okay?
Okay.
Alright, come on, let's go take a bath real quick.
No. No.
So you don't want to go bye-bye?
Where's my skin?
Where's your what?
Ethan! Please?
What?
You found this. Ethan!
Come on, let's go inside. And what is wrong with your butt?
Huh?
What's wrong with your butt? It's itchy. That means you need to take a bath.
What's me?
Okay, get my charger and we'll go take a bubble bath, okay?
What?
There we go.
It's like this.
Yep, mommy has to redo it. Alright, come on, let's go take a bubble bath.
No.
Oh my god. Okay, we won't go see Mufasa. Bye, Ollie. Bye. What did she do to you, Harley? What did she do to you?
Daddy got your shoes, but they still haven't shipped them.
You can look at yourself?
Is that for your YouTube?
Yeah.
Hi, that's Harley. Hi, that's Harley. Harley's a bird. I'm Sway from the Class family. Hi. Harley hates me.
You gonna say hey?
I had to cuss out Jeff.
Say hey?
What?
You gonna say hey?
You got him apart.
You gonna say hey?
Yeah, you wanna tell me?
You can give me a kiss?
Just like what?
Come here.
Give me a kiss.
Look at this.
Mwah. Oh, you so sweet. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh. Guys, this bird is really not nice. No, that's my earring. It's my earring. My earring. She's a mean bird. Don't let her fool you. I think she's only being nice because she's on camera. Yeah, probably that might be it too.